A raindrop's first big splash. Have you ever started a new adventure that seemed exciting at first, but then you reached a part that was so big and scary you wanted to turn back and quit? On a long and winding river, a little raindrop was about to face that very same feeling. Pitter was a cheerful little raindrop, born in a soft cloud and dropped gently into the head of a long, winding river. The journey was an adventure. He loved bobbing along with the current, racing with the little fish, and waving to the tall flowers on the riverbank. He was on his way to the great, wide ocean. But after a while, he began to hear a low, rumbling sound in the distance. The sound grew louder and louder until the whole river seemed to be shaking. He rounded a bend and saw it, the Great Falls. It was a giant, roaring waterfall, taller than the highest trees, and the water crashed down into a swirling, misty abyss below. It was terrifying. All the other raindrops in front of him cheerfully tumbled over the edge, disappearing into the mist. But Pitter was scared. He paddled his little watery body as hard as he could and clung to a smooth, green mossy rock at the very edge of the falls. "I can't do it," he trembled. "It's too big. I'm going back up the river." A deep, calm voice rumbled from the rock he was holding on to. "A river only flows one way, little one," said the rock. It was an ancient river stone named Rocco, who had sat at the edge of the falls for 1,000 years. "But I'm scared," Pitter cried. "I'm going to crash and disappear into nothing." "Disappear?" Rocco chuckled, a sound like stones gently tumbling. "Number, you will change. The journey down is the most exciting part. It is the moment you learn to fly. It feels scary, but it is the only way to the calm, peaceful sea that is waiting for you at the end." He continued, "Every single raindrop that has ever reached the great sea has had to make this one brave leap. Being brave is not about not feeling scared. Being brave is feeling scared and leaping anyway, because you know a beautiful adventure is waiting on the other side." Pitter looked down at the swirling mist. It did look scary, but then he thought about the calm, quiet sea he had been dreaming of. He looked at Rocco's steady, ancient face. He took a deep breath. He still felt scared, but now he also felt a little bit brave. He let go of the mossy rock. For a moment he was falling, and it was the most terrifying, thrilling, wonderful feeling in the world. He wasn't just a drop. He was a tiny, flying jewel. As he plunged into the misty pool below, he didn't disappear. He joined a million other brave little raindrops, and together they created a magnificent rainbow in the mist. He had made it. The scariest part of his journey was also the most beautiful. He was now on the final, peaceful stretch of the river, and the great, wide, quiet sea was just around the corner. And while the little raindrop learned that the bravest leap leads to the most beautiful places, a little girl in a cozy bedroom was learning a very different lesson about what happens to the world while she is fast asleep. Subscribe to Storiella so you don't miss her magical, sleepy time adventure.